Do you actually need to have a website for your lawn care or landscaping business? Hi, my name is Ryan Hugler with Landscape Legends, and today I'm going to be walking you through the thought process of determining whether you actually need to invest into a website or not for your lawn care or landscaping business. If you do determine that you need a website for your lawn care or landscaping business after watching this video, and you want me and my team at Landscape Legends to build one for you, you can visit wearelandscapelegends.com to schedule your free consultation to get started. With that being said, let's dive in. Do you need a website? No. You can run a lawn care or landscaping business and be relatively successful without one, but having one will make a lot of things significantly easier. Now, there are 4 things that a website will do for your business. Number 1 is that it will make your company's information more accessible online. Even if you run mainly on word of mouth and referrals, people are still going to be looking up your business name in Google to either find your contact information or just learn a little bit more about you, what you offer. So if you're not showing up when people are searching for your business name because you don't have a website, then you're going to miss out on potential clients that are easy to sell because they're referrals, just because you don't have a website or any form of way of people to find your information. Now, you can have social media profiles, which will often show up when people search your business name, and you also should have a Google business profile, which is crucial. And this also should show up when people search your name. But a website is just the foundation of everything that you do online, and it's the one place that people have just been trained to go to find all of the information on the company. So if you want to provide a good customer experience for potential customers and clients, then having a website will make it easier for them to find the information that they need and easier for them to get in contact with you. Now, number 2, it'll help you gain authority and build trust with prospects. Now, this is only done when your website is built properly. You need to include things like social proof, reviews, and just have good, clear pictures on your website. If you look at 2 lawn care websites side by side and one has a bunch of iPhone blurry pictures with bad angles and bad lighting, and compare that to a website with the exact same design but good, crisp, professional looking photos, the company with the professional photos is going to have a lot more authority in the eyes of the prospect. So when incorporating these things, your website is going to help you build authority in the eyes of the prospect and, once again, make it easier to sell those prospects. So your website will help increase the authority of your company in the eyes of your prospects and make it easier to sell those clients because they've already got trust built in you that you are a legit, reliable company. Make sure you showcase your reviews and make sure you have good, clean pictures on your website, and also just make sure you have a good, clean, easy to digest design. Now, number 3, I kind of already touched on this a little bit, but a website will help you increase your conversions, increase the amount of people that land on your website and turn into leads, or look up information on your website and turn into leads. It all ties back to making it a good customer experience for people searching for your company or for services in your area. And that leads us into the last one. Number 4 is it will increase your exposure on Google. When your website is built properly and has the right words in the right location on your website, and your website loads fast and once again provides a good user experience, Google will see this. They'll see that you have a good, solid website and that your content on your website is talking about a specific service. Because of this, they are more likely to show your website in the search results when someone goes to Google and searches for landscaper near me. They're more likely to show your company because they know that the content on your website is about landscaping and in your local area. So then you don't just have to rely on social media and door hangers and postcard mailers and whatever you do currently in referrals. So then you don't just have to rely solely on referrals and social media and what you're currently doing for marketing. You've got a new source of traffic coming into your business because everybody goes to Google when they need someone or some service or some product and they don't know where to get it. They go to Google. So if you can get your website to show up on Google, you'll be able to generate a new flow of customers coming into your business. Now, you know what a website can do for your business, but the type of website that you need for your business can vary drastically depending on where you're at in the life cycle of your business. First off, we're going to start for the businesses in the $0 to $5,000 a month range. Now, in this revenue range, it's not necessarily vital that you have a website because you can invest your money elsewhere. But from my personal experience, it helps you get to the next level quicker. Now, I'm not saying go out and spend $5,000 on a custom fancy website when you're in this revenue range, but what I would recommend is going out and building one yourself. Now, this can be daunting for a lot of you who just maybe aren't very tech savvy, but there's a lot of easy to use platforms out there, such as Wix. Elementor is what we recommend and what we build all of our websites on. It's a very easy to use platform and it has a lot of scalability for you to grow into as you grow your company. Now, if you're in this revenue range and you don't currently have a website, we actually have a free template that you can download down in the description below. We are landscapelegends.com/free-template. You can download this template and use it to build your own website for your lawn care or landscaping business. So then you don't have to worry about what do I put here and what do I put there and how do I put an image here instead of there. You just have a simple template that you can plug and play and build a website for your lawn care landscaping business that looks clean and professional, doesn't necessarily look DIY, and will start giving you the benefits of actually having a website. Once again, if you want that free template, you can visit the link down below. We are landscapelegends.com/free-template. Now, the second range we're going to be looking at is the $5,000 to roughly, let's say $20,000, $25,000 a month range. When you fall into this revenue range, you need a little bit more than just a simple template DIY website, and I would recommend investing into a professionally built website that can help you reap more of the rewards. But we have a couple options. Number one is if you're in this range and you want to still just keep it simple and you want a more budget-friendly investment approach, what I'd recommend is having a custom design put together specifically for your business to meet your visual identity with your logo and your colors, but you can keep it as just still a one-page simple website. Now, another thing is you want to make sure that this website is SEO optimized, because by this point in business, you more than likely already have some traffic coming to your website. You've got some reviews on your Google business profile. So having the proper keywords in the right place and having your website SEO optimized will increase the likelihood of you actually showing up first on Google. Now, if you're in a big market or a big city, the likelihood of you showing up first is going to be slimmer just because there's going to be a lot of fierce competition. But in this revenue range and even the previous revenue range, what you're really going to want to focus on is your Google business profile and more specifically, getting reviews. If your website is optimized for the search engines and it's tagged to your Google business profile, that will give Google more information on your business. But on top of that, Google wants to show their searchers quality, reputable companies. So they're going to show people searching for lawn care near me the companies that are near them that have lots of 5-star reviews. Now, this is crucial if you want to really make waves and get clients on Google. No matter what revenue range you're in, get reviews on your Google business profile. Now, once you surpass the $20,000, $25,000, $30,000 in monthly revenue range, then you're most likely going to have the capital to invest into a full-blown professional website. So what do one of these websites look like, and what do you want to look for when investing in something like this? Then additionally, this style of website is going to come with a lot more pages. Now, why do you actually want more pages on your website? The reason that more pages on your website is valuable is because you can target more search terms on Google. For example, if I have a landscaping business that offers lawn mowing, landscape maintenance, and hardscape installation, those are 3 drastically different services. They're all kind of under the same umbrella, but still pretty different. So in order to show up for lawn care near me when people are searching that on Google, we need to create a lawn care page specifically for that service. Now, then if someone looks up landscape maintenance near me, we want a landscape maintenance page to show up for that specific service. The same thing applies for different cities that you service. For example, if you service a greater metropolitan area with a lot of suburbs, you want individual city pages for each of those suburbs to increase the likelihood that you show up when people are searching for your services in those suburbs. You don't even have to be located there. With the Google Maps pack, you're going to have a harder time showing up just because it's so location based on where you're located. This is when you can fully unlock the full potential of your website. When you create all of these super targeted pages, and then on top of that, once you actually build out your website, you can create content on a recurring basis, targeting certain questions or different things that people might be searching into Google that your expert opinion can help answer and provide value to them. And when done right, some of this content can actually be used to help further people along in the sales process as well. So that's what a website can do for your business, and kind of the 3 revenue ranges and the different types of websites you'll need in those ranges and what your focus needs to be with the website. Starting off, just get something simple, clean, professional that people can contact you at and provides a little bit of information. Then you can kind of grow into either like a custom built 1 page or like 5 pages that have like services, about, contact, just the general information of your company, but more custom built, more professional looking. This is when you'll also want to start targeting SEO a little bit with your homepage specifically in your Google Business Profile. And then once you really grow into it, you want to build out all of those pages for more specific search terms. If you're at the place where you're ready to invest into a professional website for your lawn care or landscaping business, visit the link down below at wearelandscapelegends.com to schedule your initial consultation with us. And what we'll do is we'll hop on the phone and determine what type of website and what strategy we need to use to get you your desired results. We also build all of our websites in a very scalable manner so that even if you come to us when you're smaller, just looking for a custom 1-page website, we build it in a way that we can grow into a 30, 40, 50-page website over time. Once again, visit the link down below, wearelandscapelegends.com, to schedule your free consultation today. Also, don't forget that if you want that free website template, you can also find it down below at wearelandscapelegends.com/free-template. With that being said, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe for more lawn care landscaping marketing videos. Hit the thumbs up button if this helped, and leave a comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.